Let's unbox. From here, GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition with the new Hyper Smooth 2.0. From the side, you will see all the attachments, what's included. Back side, we're going to go through the app. This side, all the specs. Camera itself, in here, looks amazing. The GoPro Plus, unlimited cloud storage and damage replacement with no question asked. This is the new GoPro guarantee or warranties. Need help? Stickers, who doesn't like stickers? No one treats it. The mounting part. That's the camera. This is the mounting part, which is the most important part. Let's move everything out. The new battery. It says that there's a new output which is specifically made for the GoPro Hero 8. One of the best part of the Hero 8, you don't need a frame anymore, so you just use those flappers, which makes a huge difference. Yeah, very easy. If you don't need it, you can easily flap it down. And there's type of magnet in here. I think it's cool. It's amazing. The part where you can put the memory, you just put this one out, push it up, and here we can insert the micro SD card, the battery, and the USB Type-C in here. So this is what includes in the box. GoPro, one mounting, a battery, mounting part, a USB cable, a sticker. I think it's a nice deal, especially for the Hyper Smooth 2.0. Let's turn it on. The date. And there you go. So you can see everything, you can see the surrounding. How cool is it? Yeah. Nice. Settings. Click here. Oh, there's instructions how to use it. I just use settings to save as a custom. Perfect. Timer app. Digital lens, change how much screens captured in this shot. Wide. Oh, okay. Narrow. That's amazing. That's cool. That's smooth on screen. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. If you like it, please click like and follow this channel. If you have any questions, we're gonna make the next video for gathering more details about attachments and accessories which we can recommend for you to use it for your next use. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.